have made my first friend out on the trail already. A section of this conservation area is leash-free. Actually, I'm not sure I would have found this park at all if it weren't for a recommendation from someone watching this channel. Thank you. Well, that was a really fun and exciting hike. You may want to stay till the end to watch me climb up the very steep slope in the mud using a rope. Not to mention some very large trees, an attempt to get around a deep puddle, and a weirdly awkward stream crossing. Spring is coming and the snow is melting, but it is still quite cold overnight, so actually the trails are very icy. You can see the red color in the bark of these very tall red pines. We've talked about pines before, where the needles are attached to the branch in groups of 2 or 5. And today we're going to look at spruce trees. The needles of spruce are attached individually and often sticking out in all directions. This is a really beautiful hike. It's a series of hills and valleys, ridges to go up and down, and I am really enjoying it. I am in hemlock heaven here. It's my favorite tree. These are the fast-moving waters of Duffins Creek on its way to Lake Ontario. I'll let you in on a little secret. Carolan, Ontario is not the best at crossing streams. My children think this is hilarious. They would just leap across, but, well, I have my own way. I'm pretty sure this stream is a lot wider than it looks. Well, this section, the south section by the river, is passable now in the winter with the ice, but I think it's going to be very flooded in the spring. Actually, it is not that easily passable now because and there are puddles that are more than ankle deep. Good thing I'm wearing my waterproof hiking boots. There is a small parking lot here, and the main large parking lot is on the other side, although you might be able to park here when it is not winter. There's another parking lot at the north end, but you have to go up a large hill to get to the trail. I have marked my route, but as you can see, there are lots of trail options. The trails are not marked, so I found it very helpful to use the All Trails app on my phone. It is a free app with a huge database of trails. You can also pay a reasonable fee for an annual subscription, and that will allow you to download a map in case you're in an area with poor mobile phone coverage. That is what I did in this area.